Hello guys, today I've got the AMAZFIT Active 3 Premium watch and I'm going to show you how to sync workouts to Apple Health or Google Fit. So actually I'm going to show you how to connect it to any third-party applications, and here we have actually, as you can see, the Google Fit. So at first make sure that you have your Google Fit application installed, then open the Zepp application. Here in this Zepp application, you need to tap this profile, this person icon over here in the top right corner. As you can see here, they have Zepp code, my goals, my gear, heart rate zone, and here third-party account linking. Tap it. Tap Google Fit, and now here you need to tap it. Wait a moment, because here, as you can see, you need to tap everything. So here, as you can see, we have access to all your sleep data in Google Fit. You can check that. And your heart rate data in Google Fit. Consent. And info about your body. Consent. Your location. Consent. And physical activity data, which is the most important one. Check it. Here, tap Continue. And now we have our both applications paired successfully. And now, if we open our application over here, we can see that here we've got it without activity. I think it's not yet refreshed, so I'm going to wait a moment. But as you can see, it's connected and it's here. We should have our data from the Google Fit, to here inserted, and vice versa. Goodbye.